Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, hi, my name's Tash and I create a lot of beauty related videos. However, at the moment I'm doing 31 days of Halloween and today's look is this creepy looking Minnie Mouse. So if you're curious about how it's done, then stay tuned and let's get on with it. Okay, so to start off this look, I have blocked out my eyebrows as much as I could. I've never blocked out my eyebrows before, so yay. So firstly I'm going to take some black face paint and create some mini type face shapes. I'm also painting down my neck and chest area. And then I'm going to take my Global Colors skin tone palette and use the lightest shade. And this is a water-based paint, so I've just put some water in the palette. Now I'm going to cover the rest of my face with this shade. Alternatively, you could just use a lighter foundation for this, but seeing as I have this face paint palette and I haven't tried it out much, I thought I'd use that instead. While I was waiting for my face to dry, I painted some really long acrylic nails white with using a face paint. For my eyes, I'm going to start off with Intravenous, which is this brown colour from the Blood Sugar palette, and just put that in the inner section of my eye. Also going to take the Cheeky Bit Seduce Me palette and use Mauve and just buff that in as well. I'm also going to take some black from that palette. This palette is actually really pigmented, it's just the fact that it doesn't want to stick to the glue or paint. Also bringing that black underneath my eyes. I'm then going to take a little bit of Fresh Meat from the Blood Sugar palette and put that underneath my eyes as well. Also going to add some black eyeliner to my waterline. I'm also using the Elvira palette from Lunatic Cosmetic Labs and just using Super Unleaded as a blush just to give a little bit of colour to this look so she doesn't look so dead. I'm going to take some black face paint and paint a mouth section. Adding some liquid liner to my upper lash line. Then I'm going to add some crazy long spider type lashes. And I just got a glimpse of what I look like with this mouth on at the moment and I look ridiculous. I'm also going to add some bottom lashes. Take some cotton wool balls and just unravel them like so. And firstly lay down some liquid latex. And then place the cotton wool over the latex. And just keep doing that until I have a full lip. And then do the same thing for the bottom lip. Now I'm just going to go over the top of all of that with more liquid latex. Now I'm going to take some of the teeth and cut them down a little bit. And I'm just using some liquid latex to adhere them to the jaw. So I'm just taking some cotton wool that I've dipped in latex and putting that over the top of the teeth just to make sure they're secured in place because this one is actually falling. While I'm waiting for the latex to dry, I'm just going to take a little bit of yellow face paint and paint in the teeth a little bit. Going to take my Global Colors skin tone palette again and take the second shade, which is this one, and just paint around that mouth area. Also taking a little bit of brown from that skin tone palette and washing it over the teeth lightly. Going to take some of my Marron blood and put it around the mouth area. Also need to draw on a black little round nose. And this is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you in the next 31 days of Halloween videos. Bye!